Hello everybody, today we are going to talking about Dragon Boat Festival. And my name is He Zhang'en.
My name is 史博成。
I am 张兆龙。
I am 林玉兴。
I am 郑毅。The Dragon Boat Festival is a traditional and statutory holiday originally in China. The Miro River is an important river in the Dongting Lake watershed and it is about 400 kilometers long. It is famous as a location of the ritual suicide in 270 BC of Qiyuan, a point of true state during the Warring State period in the protest against the corruption of the year.
The Dragon Boat Festival, also called Double Fifth Festival, is celebrated on the 5th day of the 5th month of the lunar calendar. The Chinese Dragon Boat Festival is a significant holiday celebrated in China and the one with the longest history. It is one of the most important Chinese festivals, the other two being the Autumn Moon Festival and Chinese New Year. The original of this summer festival centers around a scholarly government official named Qu Yuan. He was a good and respected man, but because of the misdeeds of jealous rivals, he eventually fell into disfavor in the emperor's court. Unable to regain the respect of the emperor, in his sorrow, Qu Yuan threw himself into the Miro River. Because of their admiration for Qu Yuan, the local people living adjacent to the Miro River rushed into their boats, searched for him, while throwing rice into the waters to appease the river dragons. Although they were unable to find Qu Yuan, their efforts are still commemorated today during the Dragon Boat Festival. And in this festival, there are some activities like eat rice dumplings. A very popular dish during the Dragon Boat Festival is eating rice dumplings. This tasty dish consists of rice dumplings with meat, peanut, egg yolk, or other fillings wrapped in bamboo leaves. The tradition of eating rice dumplings is meant to remind us of the village fishermen scattering rice across the water of the Miro River in order to appease the river dragons so that they would not devour Qu Yuan. And the next active is many Chinese consider this time of year an especially dangerous time when extra efforts must be made to protect their family from aliens. Families will hang various herbs called an aichao on their door or protection. The drinking of regular wine is thought to remove poisons from the body.
Other common activities include hanging up icons of Zhongxu, a mystic guardian figure, hanging mugwort and calamus, taking long walks, and wearing perfume medicine bags. Other traditional activities include a game of making an egg stand at noon. This game is one that if you make the egg stand at exactly 12 o'clock noon, you will have luck for the next year. And writing spells. All of these activities, together with the drinking of Realgar wine, were regarded by the ancients as effective in preventing disease or evil and promoting health and well-being.
Although it is a common festival in many Asian countries, there are some special ways to celebrate it. For example, in Japan, people see Duanwu Festival as a festival for boys, and it is also a holiday for children. In this day, families with boys members have to hang a koinobori outside their house because they hope that their children will grow up healthy, like a cow. It is a special culture that is different to other countries. And in Korea, people view Dragon Boat Festival as a celebration. It is also the day to thank God. The Korean people localize Duanwu Festival, so there are many local cultures that other countries don't have. During the sacrificial ceremony, they perform opera, wrestling, swimming, taekwondo, and so on. Thanks for listening.
干部谁啊？